Hey there! In this video I will trade on Pocket Option as usual. So in this video you will see some interesting trades and my detailed analysis. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special, just a little bit of useful content. So let's just start.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
For the first trade I used a simple analysis of support and resistance levels. As you can see here, a 1 minute chart with a downtrend. The chart has reached the resistance level and has already started moving down towards the support level. I know where the chart is heading, so I managed to place a trade for 3 minutes before it falls too low. And also note that the chart itself may turn around and go up, since it has already reached its maximum point on a larger time frame. Therefore, it was very important here to choose the correct expiry time and not enter too late. The next situation turned to be more complicated, but more interesting. At first glance, we immediately see our double impulse pattern, which was recently discussed in last videos, but we see that the chart has reached the resistance level and it's testing it, trying to start moving down towards the consolidation. Since the movement on the 5-minute chart has already begun, we set not 15 minutes expiration, but 10 minutes. Let me remind you guys right away about a double impulse and what it is in a brief. The first strong impulse followed by a consolidation, and then again there is a strong impulse in the same direction as the first one. Having reached the maximum point and having turned around, we can confidently say that the chart will go down until it reaches the consolidation level. The chart doesn't make sharp movements and tests this level for a long time, and I don't have enough time to close the deal successfully, so I double my trade for another 5 minutes. The next trade I wanted to show you guys is not only an example of a double impulse, but also a triangle pattern. On the 5-minute chart, we see that the pattern has reached the consolidation level and it's testing the support level. But if we zoom in on the chart on a 3 minutes time frame, we will see a formed triangle which is trying to break through this area. So I opened a trade for 5 minutes. The amplitude of the chart is decreasing and the bears are pushing the price down, so the candles have nowhere to go but down. The next deal was found using a new method. So if you want a full review of this method, please leave a comment and I will make a complete video about this method. In short, we use 3 moving average lines. And right now you can see the settings. These lines help you to find a perfect moment to enter if the chart moves in one specific direction, down or up, without jumps. The lines should not intersect but run parallel to each other. When the candles roll back and pass the line 25, it's a signal for us that there may be a perfect moment to enter soon. On the line 100, the graph slows down and rounds up. In this case, the candle has already touched the line 200, so we place a trade for 5 minutes up and wait. Please note that for this method you also need to watch how the chart acted shortly before. The pattern has already have been repeated several times. The candles reached the blue zone and went up. So this gives us a confidence in our conclusions. This method has many more details and possible development options, so as I said, leave a comment if you want a full review. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you find it useful, please consider subscribing and press the like button. See you guys very soon. Later.